Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Sastra Inggris 12th Grade Social Department FSMN 2 Pasuruan. Well, I am Hakul Yakin would like to present the material for the Sastra Inggris for the 12th grade of Social SMN 2 Pasuruan. Okay, in this meeting, we would like to discuss about Unit 1, about cause and effect as the conjunction. And the purposes and the objectives of this unit. By exploring this unit, students are expected to be grateful to God for having chance to learn English. And the students are expected to demonstrate honest, disciplinary, responsible, and confident. The third, the students are expected to analyze social function, theory structure, and language elements of asking and giving information. And then, students are able to arrange simple conversation about asking and giving information. And the last objective or the last purpose here, the students are having knowledge about the usage of conjunction, cause, and effect. Okay, our big questions. What cause and effects conjunctions do you know? For the first question, what cause and effect conjunctions do you know? Can you mention the conjunction to state information? Then, do you always use conjunction because to state cause and effect? Once more, do you always use conjunction because to state cause and effect? There are some cause-effect conjunction such as since, as, for, etc. Well, in this chapter, you are going to learn some cause-effect conjunctions. Are you ready, guys? Okay, however, you have to pray first to God for the chance given to you. Let's start to pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Okay guys, now let's continue our discussion. Now let's start our discussion about the language lesson, cause effect conjunction. First of all, I want you to know, or I really want to know whether you have already understood about conjunction, whether you have known about cause and effect. Okay, conjunction is penghubung. Ya, penghubung yang di sini difungsikan untuk menghubungkan hubungan sebab akibat. Okay, cause and effect is a form of reasoning to reach a valid conclusion. These are conjunctions used to show cause and effect. First, the conjunctions to show cause are because, for, since, as, because of, due to, on account of, and for the reason that. Once more, the conjunctions to show cause are because, for, since, as, because of, due to, on account of, and for the reason that. Ya, yang pertama, konjungsi atau penghubung yang menunjukkan penyebab. Ya, sebagai penyebab yaitu apa saja? Because, for, since. Ya, because itu pasti sudah jelas. It is clear that because the meaning also sebab. Kemudian for. Ya, for kalau selama ini mungkin Anda taunya for itu untuk kalau digunakan sebagai konjungsi, for itu artinya karena. Ya. For, because itu sama. Kemudian since juga demikian. Since itu juga memiliki makna karena. Kemudian as, because of, due to, on account of, and for the reason that, itu semua bisa dipakai sebagai conjunction to show cause. Next, the second one. The conjunctions to show effect are therefore, so, thus, so that, such that, consequently, as the consequent, and for all these reasons. Yang kedua, konjungsi untuk menunjukkan akibat. Ya, apa saja yang menunjukkan akibat? Ya, yang pertama therefore. Therefore. Ya, bisa diartikan dengan karenanya. Oleh karena itu, ya. So, jadi, thus, ya. So that, such that, consequently, as the consequent, and for all these reasons. I'm sure that all of you have known the meaning of all those words, all those phrases as the conjunction. Okay, for example here, guys, Marisa is sad because her cat died. Yeah, the first sentence is Marisa is sad, and the second sentence is Marisa's cat died. Yep. The effect here, Marisa is sad. Why? Because her cat dead. Ya. Yang di sini ada dua kalimat. Kalimat yang pertama adalah Marisa is sad. Ya, kenapa Marisa kok sedih? Ya, Marisa is sad itu adalah sebagai akibat atau the effect. Kenapa kok sedih? Because her cat died. Ya, because kucingnya Marisa itu meninggal. Ini penyebabnya. Ya, penyebabnya kucingnya Marisa mati. Kucingnya Marisa mati. Ya, kemudian karenanya Marisanya sedih. Oke, saya gunakan tadi kata meninggal karena Marisa sangat suka, sangat sayang sama kucingnya. Oke, contoh yang kedua. Danang is so hungry that he eats a lot of fried rice. Ya. Here also there are two sentences. The first sentence, Danang is so hungry. Danang is so hungry. And then the second sentence, he eats a lot of fried rice. Dia makan banyak nasi goreng. Ya, yang pertama, Danang sangat lapar. Ini sebagai penyebabnya. Nah, akibatnya, the effect yang di sini digunakan konjungsinya adalah that. Apa akibatnya? He eats a lot of fried rice. Ya, karena Danang sangat lapar, maka dia makan nasi goreng dengan porsi besar mungkin. Ya. Kemudian contoh yang ketiga, Rose is sick. Rose is sick. Rose sakit. Rose sedang sakit. Therefore, she doesn't go to school today. Ya, karenanya, she doesn't go to school today. Dua kalimat ini digabungkan dengan therefore. Kalau di situ ada full stop, ya, it is mistyping. Actually, there is the full stop. It's okay, there is full stop. But usually we combine between two sentences, we can use comma. Rose is sick, comma, therefore, comma, she doesn't go to school today. Okay. Yang kalimat penyebabnya adalah Rose is sick. Rose sedang sakit. Akibatnya, she doesn't go to school today. Okay, the last example here. Bima got an accident because he rode his motorcycle so fast. Bima got an accident. Bima got an accident di sini bukan sebagai penyebab, tetapi sebagai akibat. Akibat dari apa? He rode his motorcycle so fast. Karena dia mengendarai sepeda motornya sangat cepat. Begitu cepatnya, akhirnya mungkin Bima tidak bisa mengendalikan motornya sehingga he got an accident. Bima got an accident because he rode his motorcycle. Sebab bisa di awal kalimat atau diletakkan pada kalimat pertama, bisa juga diletakkan di kalimat kedua. Oke, seperti contohnya di sini, Marisa is sad because her cat is dead. Ya, Marisa is sad because her cat died. Marisa is sad itu sebagai akibat. Penyebabnya adalah kucingnya meninggal. Jangan salah, bukan karena Marisa sedih akhirnya kucingnya meninggal. No. Okay, have you understood, guys? Yes, I hope so. Okay, now we would like to practice the dialogue for asking and giving information and using cause and effect as the conjunction. Okay, in this case, I would like to ask my partner, my little partner, to be my partner in practicing the dialogue here. Okay. Yep. Hello, Kalia. Would you like to come here? Yes.
Hi.
Okay. Just introduce your name first. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Kalia Ramadhani Putri Haq. I am in the 4th grade and I am nearly 10 years old.
Okay. You will be 10.
Yeah.
What date?
August 19th.
August 19. Okay. Okay, Kalia, I would like to ask you to be my partner in practicing the dialogue. Okay? Okay. Yep. About cause and effect as the conjunction. Okay. What's wrong with you, Kalia?
I'm so sad.
But why?
My grandfather is dying in the hospital now.
Oh my. What happens with him?
He got a heart attack last night. Therefore, he was brought to the hospital.
Why did he get heart attack?
He was shocked because he heard my uncle was infected by the COVID-19.
Oh, I hope he'll be just fine.
I hope so, but I'm so afraid to lose him.
Don't say that. Everything is going to be okay.
Thanks for your support.
Okay. Yes, Kalia? Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Do you understand about this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here, you are sad because your grandfather
got a heart attack.
Okay. Why he got a heart attack?
Because he heard that the uncle got COVID-19.
Okay. Yes, good. He was shocked. He was shocked di situ sebagai akibat. Ya, penyebabnya adalah he heard that my uncle was infected by COVID-19. Itu penyebabnya. Oke, Kalia. Thank you. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. The dialogue just now between Kalia and I, we are talking about asking and giving information. I asked information to Kalia why he is sad. Yeah, and then he told me that his grandpa is dying in the hospital. Yeah, and then I asked what happens to her grandpa, and then Kalia told me that the grandpa got heart attack. Yeah, he got heart attack. Ini kalimat apa namanya? Penyebabnya. Therefore, karenanya, hasilnya atau infectnya, he was brought to the hospital. Dia dibawa ke rumah sakit. Kemudian saya tadi nanya lagi, why did he get heart attack? Kemudian Kalia tadi menjawab, he was shocked because he had that my uncle, Kalia's uncle, my uncle was infected by COVID-19. Jadi di sini the grandpa itu kaget, shock, ya. Karena apa? Karena dia mendengar the uncle was infected by COVID-19. Oke, jadi shock itu akibat dari berita bahwa the uncle was infected by COVID-19. Okay, yes. Have you understood, guys? That is the function of the conjunction because. Okay, now I would like to ask you to do the exercise. I would like to ask you to do the exercise. There are 10 questions here, and you must fulfill the blanks or the dots in every number with because or so that. Yeah, just like number 1. He must be asleep. Blah blah blah. There is no light in his room. He must be asleep. He must be asleep ini penyebab apa akibat? Ya, dia pastinya tidur. Titik-titik. There is no light in his room. Tidak ada lampu, tidak ada cahaya lampu di kamarnya atau dari kamarnya. Nah, di sini pastinya jawabannya adalah he must be asleep because there is no light in his room. Dia pastinya tidur, dia pastinya sedang tidur karena tidak ada cahaya lampu. Sudah tidak nyala lagi lampu di kamarnya. Number 2, I decided to call it a day. Blah blah blah. I was feeling tired. I decided to call it a day. I was feeling tired. Number 3, I helped him. Blah blah blah. I like him. Number 3, blah blah blah. He hasn't arrived yet. We will have to go without him. Okay. Just decide whether using because first or so that first. Of course, it is impossible for you for the number 4 to use the impact first or the effect first. Number 6, the poor parents could not support the baby. They sent him to an orphanage. Number 7, we had to cancel the trip. Blah blah blah. My daughters was sick. Okay, sorry. For the number 7, again, there is a mistyping there. My daughter's sick. My daughter was sick. There is no apostrophe and then s. Okay, my daughter's or my daughter was. Okay, just fix it by yourself, yeah, guys. And number 8, the weather was bad. The match was cancelled. Number 9, the weather was bad. Blah blah blah. They cancelled the match. Almost the same between number 8 and number 9, and the meaning is totally same. Blah blah blah. The weather was bad. The match was cancelled. The weather was bad. Blah blah blah. They cancelled the match. Yeah, the meaning is totally same. But here I test you whether you have understood for the material of the conjunction cause and effect or not. Yeah, number 8, what should you fulfill on that number? And then also for the number 9, what should you write on number 9? Number 10, I was late. Blah blah blah. The train broke down. I was late. Blah blah blah. The train broke down. Come on. Yeah, just concentrate. Just fulfill those questions. For 10 questions I have done for the first number for you. For the first number we use because, and number 2 up to number 10 do it yourself. Okay, next. Homework. If the exercise of filling the blanks you must directly do on your worksheet, yeah, and then submit it directly, yeah, for today up to tonight. But for the homework I give you a week. I give you a week for the homework to submit it. Yeah, an individual task. In individual task, make a conversation between you and your best friend, informing that you can't accompany him or her to the public library because you have to take your mom visiting your uncle out of town. Okay, once more, I would like to read your homework. In individual task, ini tugas individu ya guys. Make a conversation between you and your best friend, informing that you can't accompany him or her to the public library. Yeah, maybe you have promised him or her. Yeah, because of what? Because you have to take your mom visiting your uncle out of town. Ya, tugas individu membuat percakapan antara diri Anda dengan sahabat Anda yang Anda menginformasikan bahwa Anda tidak bisa menemaninya pergi ke perpustakaan umum karena Anda harus mengantarkan atau mengantarkan ibu Anda mengunjungi paman Anda di luar kota. Ya, istilahnya sambang paman di luar kota. Anda menemani ibu Anda, padahal awalnya Anda sudah janji akan menemani teman Anda untuk ke perpustakaan kota. Jadi buat ini dalam bentuk percakapan dan collected or submitted next week for the homework. Tetapi kalau yang tadi tugas latihan itu dikumpulkan hari ini juga, Friday the 6th. Friday the 7th. Yeah, up to tonight I'm waiting. Well, this is the end of this meeting. Thanks for watching. But before we close the meeting, let's pray with a big hope that what we learn today will be useful for us and we will not easily forget about the material. Okay, guys, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma arinal haqqa haqqan warzuqna tinabah wa arinal batila batila warzuqna ijtinabah. Amin, amin, ya rabbal alamin. Okay, guys, see you to the next meeting and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.